Welcome to mathematics class. In this video, I'll be talking about brackets, factorization, and precedence. Now, I'll be solving some questions under the three problems. Now, suppose we have a squared, right? Let's say we have an expression of a squared. That's a squared minus into brackets 2a minus ab, right? Then minus a into brackets 3b plus a, right? So what I'm going to do in this case is that, as you can see, from this algebra expression, I'm having brackets here, right? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use the coefficient in front of the bracket to open the bracket, right? So here I'm going to have this towards a squared, then this minus 1. Minus 1 times 2a is going to give me minus 2a, right? Then minus 1 multiplied by minus ab is going to give me plus ab, right? Then here I'm having minus a. Minus a multiplied by this is going to give me minus 3ab, right? Then minus a multiplied by this is going to give me minus a squared. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to collect the similar factors together. So collecting similar factors together, I'm going to have it to be simply, this is actually a squared minus a squared minus 2a, right, plus ab. Then after that, I'm going to have it to be minus plus ab, then minus 3ab. So what I'm going to do next is that I will try to simplify, right? This will cancel this, then I'm going to have minus 2a plus now. No, you could 4 plus. This plus ab minus 3ab. So here I'm going to have it was minus 2ab. Right? Simply I can factorize minus 2a, right? So factorizing minus 2, I'm going to have minus 2a into bracket what? That's going to give me, that's 1 plus b. Exactly. So this is the simplified expression for this algebra expression. So let's check some questions under factorization. Suppose you are asked to factorize xy minus 3xz. This is very simple. What you just have to look for is that what is the common factor here? The common factor between these two algebra is actually x, right? You have x, then you factorize your x, then bring it out, you're going to have x in the bracket, y minus what? 3z. You simply factorize this. You factorize it. Then suppose you are given 4a squared plus 16ab cubed, right? So here, if you look at this, what's the common factor? Looking at the coefficients here, we have 4 here, we have 16 here, right? So what happens is that 4 is actually a factor, right? I can factorize a 4 here, and also I can factorize what? A. Simply, if I should factorize 4a, I'm going to have to what? Into brackets. 1a you cancel this, and then I'm having a here. That's a. Plus 4 goes in 16, that's actually 4, right? I'm going to have it to be 4b cubed. You've actually what? Factorized it. Then suppose you are given 3a squared b minus 6ab squared, right? Then plus 15ab. And you are asked to factorize this. This is actually very, very, very simple. So it's actually a quadratic factor. So here, it's very simple. What we are going to do is that, what is the common factor here? We have 3 here, we have 6 here, we have 15 here. 3 goes in 3, that's actually 1. 3 goes in 6, that's actually 2. And 3 goes in what? In 15, that's actually what? 3. So if I should factorize 3 out, I'm going to have 3. I can factorize 3 now. So after 3, what other thing can I factorize? I'm having a here, I'm having a here, I'm having a here. I can factorize what? 1a, right? Then I'm having b here, b square here, and also b here. So that means I can factorize what? 1b. That's 3ab then into brackets. If you remove 1a from this, it remains what? It remains a. Right? So we have only 1b here and we factorize it out. Then here we are going to have minus. If you remove 3 from this 6, that's actually what? It remains 2. You are going to have it to be 2. And we have b square here and 1b here. This is going to factorize one of these. Then I'm going to have to 2b. Then plus, you have 15 here, which means if you factorize 3 in this 15, you are going to have to be 5. Exactly, it is 5. Then here, if you put down 5, you have 1a and 1b here. So the answer is just what? 3ab into bracket a minus 2b plus 5. So that's just the expression and the answer to what? To this question.
So let's check another question I'm having here. Now, if you look at this question very well, we have the first square bracket here, then we have a curly braces here, then we have a small bracket inside here. So we have about 3 brackets here. So the repetition of brackets from this side to this side and to this side is what is meant by precedence. Right? So what I'm going to do is that now, in order for me to just start solving this solve, I need to first open the inner bracket. Now the step 1 in this case is that open the inner brackets. Let's open the inner brackets. So now if I open the inner bracket, I'm going to have the expression as 2a, right? Then minus my square bracket is here, right? I'm going to have 3d, then curly braces here. Then I'm going to have, now I'm having 2 here, right? Then 2 multiplied by this is actually 8a, right? 8a. 2 multiplied by this is actually minus 2b. Then here minus 5 multiplied by is actually minus 5a, right? Then minus 5 multiplied by this is actually minus 10b. Then I'm going to close my curly brace, right? Then I'm having plus 4a outside the curly brace. So now in front of the curly brace now, I'm going to open the curly brace now. Open the curly brace. So here I'm going to just curly brace or bracket anyhow. I'm going to use this 3 to open it now. I'm going to have it to 2a, then minus. I can now open a normal bracket here because I want to open this stuff. So here I'm having 3 multiplied by 8, and that should give me 24a, right? I'm going to have this to be 24a. Then after that, 3 multiplied by minus 2b, that's actually minus 6b. Then 3 multiplied by this is actually minus 15a. Then 3 multiplied by minus 10 is actually minus 30b. Exactly. Then we are going to have plus 4a here. Then I'm going to close it with normal brackets. Then after that, the next thing I'm going to do here is that I will go ahead and use this minus to open the brackets. So that I'm going to have 2a, then minus 24a. Then after that, minus this multiplied is actually plus 6b. Then this multiplied is actually plus 15a. Then after that, I'm going to have this multiplied is actually plus 30b, then minus 4a. So after that, the next thing is that I will try and pack those that have a together. Then I'm going to have 12a minus 24a, right? Then the next thing I'm having is plus 15a. And after that, I'm going to have minus 4a. Then after that, I'm having plus 6b, then plus 15. No, that's plus 30b, exactly. Plus 30b. So here I'm going to have it to be 2a minus 24a is actually minus 22a, then plus 15a. That should be giving me, okay, let me just start like this. 2a minus this minus 4a is actually, that's minus 6a, right? Then minus 6a minus this is actually minus 30, right? That's minus 6a, sorry, 2a minus, let me just, 2a minus 4a, right? Then I'm going to have it to be minus 24a plus 15a. Let me simplify this first. So here I'm having coefficient of 2 minus 4, then minus 24 plus 15. Now, first thing is that I'll start from here. 2 minus this actually give me, that's actually minus 2, right? Minus 2, I'm having minus 2 here. Then minus this is actually minus 26. So minus 26 plus 15a. That's giving what? 11 minus 11a. So everything here I'm having 11a minus 11a as a result. Then the next thing I'm having is actually here I'm having 6b, right? Then plus 30b, which is actually what? 36b. So here the final answer is what? Minus 11a plus 36b, exactly. Which I can write as what? I can just rewrite, this is my rewrite, this is my rewrite sign. So I can write as what? As 36b, right? Minus 11a. So that's just it.